Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Ned from Tech Bits, and today I want to do a teardown on a TRC-213 1-watt 3-channel Transceiver, GRS Transceiver. Love the giant antennas to get on these things. I'm surprised my daughter hasn't broken this thing yet. She's been running around with this thing, talking to it like it actually has someone on the other end. Unfortunately, I only have one, and that means it's perfect for a teardown. Wow, look at how long those screws are, those bits. Oh, and then one more to go. Thank God for Phillips head screws, ladies and gentlemen. I tell you what, Bobby. No clips, please, no clips. Oh, perfect. Oh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty on the inside there. There is so much going on. That's definitely a circuit board from the 80s. And I am totally taking this antenna off and giving it to my daughter, and hoping she doesn't beat my son with it. She's going to go nuts for this. Man, there's so much going on in here. So many dials. I know you can take flathead screwdrivers and switch these up to get different things, or at least on some of them. Watch, it's not on all of them here. But so damn much going on. This is beautiful. I don't see so much stacked in like this very often. But man, I tell you what, Bobby, back in the day, this is one of those things that guys really like to have. You go to Radio Shack, you get a... Oh, you see a whole bunch of them? That's interesting. That's how she turns on and off. No modular, no terminals or terminations at the ends. I guess that's just how she goes, though. If I can get her out any further. That's sexy. Mom, Dad, I don't care what you say. That's some sexy stuff right there. Some big old knobs. That's what the ladies like. LED light. But man, just seriously, there's so much going on here. I'm going to have to get a spec sheet and figure out what all this stuff is, honestly, because I don't see this stuff very often. I wonder if that's, it looks like it's for fine tuning. You're supposed to be able to put a flathead screwdriver in there, I'm pretty sure, and be able to turn those around. But man, that's what I'm talking about, the old stuff. Anyways, that's it for me, Ned from Tech Bits. Like and subscribe, like this kind of stuff. Always appreciated, and take care of each other, folks.